So Doug, where are you taking me?
To my winter camp.
Winter camp, way out there, yeah. So I guess they're going there somewhere, yeah. Doug is a true mountain man in any sense of the word. Huh, Doug? Oh, whoa. That is cool. So Doug's taking me on an area that people usually don't go through because he knows every trail that's not a trail up here.
It's my bug out camp.
That's right. Wow, that... Oh, I guess I'm going up there. All right, so been hiking with Doug. My lungs are burning, my legs are burning, and Doug
Needs a cigarette.
How old are you, Doug?
Closer to 60 than 50.
He's way more healthier than I am, and he smokes. How are you? That's what I think. No, he's constantly running around.
Welcome to my world.
I just fell in love with the mountain all over again. Ah. Doug. Woo! Seriously though, this is an absolutely incredible hike. It is gorgeous out here. What temperature is it? Like? I know it's below 30 right now.
It's like 70.
Well, for Doug, it feels like 70. Actually, I'm sweating too. We're both sweating. But is it like 20 something degrees?
Yeah, it's probably around
I think
freezing.
so. Well, we did it. Doug tried to kill me, but I'm here. It's crazy. Oh, that's such a view. I don't think it's gonna pick up on here, but there's
You walk that way a little, you can see it better.
there's the lake. I think this is as far as I'm going right now. For the gram. I'm exhausted.
It's old man Winter's bounds.
Here he lies. Interesting.
Stuff. Put that in the background.
Yeah, let's do that. Jeez, look at this. Yep. So if you want to go hiking, look this man up. Oh, he'll take you to places that don't exist. Okay, they exist, but not on any map. That's incredible. That's cool. Wow, this is incredible. I'm exhausted. And he's taking smoke breaks. I can barely breathe. I am now part of Doug's inner sanctuary. He lives down below, but he got this nice spot up here too. Look at this. Yep. Remember I say he's a mountain man? He's a mountain man. So Doug just went through there. I guess I'm gonna try to go through that. Well, I'm all done. It ended up being, did not expect to go that long. It was a little over 4 miles. Deep snow. We slid around a lot. Fell down a few times. It was gorgeous though. I'd do it again. That was incredible. I'm gonna sleep now. I go to sleep. Oh.